I French just on the tip. Now I did them myself, so if I'm gonna make them for myself, then I will just do the nail, I'll attach the nail and then do the nail design on my own nails instead of having to wear press-ons, because I am so rough with my hands and I have a really hard time keeping press-ons on my fingers. So no, I don't wear my own press-ons, but I do wear my own designs. There's a little cat eye swirl and a jelly dot that I tried. I usually do like a lot of like experimental techniques when I'm doing my own fingers. So this is like striped cat eye, which is what inspired me to do these rainbow ones. Was after I was like, oh, the striped cat eye does look pretty good, like curing it one line at a time. But this one was kind of bad. But this one looks pretty good. I feel like so. You know, this one was a technique I tried where I put cat eye black and then I put a matte coat down so that you couldn't see the sparkles, and then I put 3D gel on top of that, and then you could see the sparkles through the matte. So I thought that was a really cool technique. You can only see like it's only super sparkly where I put the 3D gel. So that's pretty exciting. I don't know. It's really cool, but I need to find a better design to do that with, right? You can tell when it's starting to kind of lay down. So tiny. Oh, so cute. Look at my interesting. We're getting somewhere. And I like my man, all about the things. I'm just a baby. I'm gonna turn my face like that. She's up. She's gonna be like, I'm just a baby. Who are you speaking of? Cute. Okay. That's gonna be so cute. Look at the little ball. There's the shape. Just how to make a ball. Oh, my bunny's coming to say hi. You wanna see my bunny? Hi, bunny. Hi, little bun. Don't be so shy. Don't be so shy, little bun bun. She's like, don't look at me. If I freeze, they won't see me. It's okay, bunny. Okay, the lines aren't like mega even, but I think you can definitely tell that it's a beach ball. Sorry, I realized I wasn't showing you. Cute. Alright, that kind of finishes it out. I like that. Let's try again. Oh, yes, okay. It looks more like a basket than a bucket, but maybe the like right paint color will help with that too. I feel like... I think it looks like a bucket. Kind of made a little puddle. A little puddle coming out. We try to pick up our little shovel. Oh no, the shovel broke! Ah! After all that work. No, we're gluing this thing back together. We're not starting fresh. Yay! She's alive. What if, like, what if I like a thing? Like, you know, of the sand? Or like, just like a flat like that? She's super perfect, right? Okay. I don't know. I don't know what See what it looks like when I just paint a little shovel next to it. Texture to what's spilling out of the bucket. Really shaky. Oh, he didn't break.